The right bread maker machine is essential for hassle-free, delicious homemade bread and a world of culinary possibilities. In this video, we're about to unveil the top 5 bread maker machines that you absolutely need to transform your baking experience. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. Making fresh homemade bread has never been easier. Just add your ingredients, select the cycle, and press start. You're in control, crafting healthy loaves without preservatives or trans fats. What sets this bread maker apart is its versatility, offering 12 cycles to cater to all your baking needs. From basic and French bread to gluten-free, quick bread, and even sweet loaves, it's a kitchen powerhouse. Plus, it's perfect for dough preparation, so you can create dinner rolls, pizza crusts, cinnamon buns, and more, then bake them in your conventional oven. Customization is key, as you can choose to make either 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds loaves and select from 3 crust settings for that perfect finish. The result? Bread just the way you like it every time. It's the best choice for bread maker machines, offering convenience and customization that will delight every home baker. Number 2. Zojirushi BBP DC20BA Breadmaker. With an array of healthy course settings like multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and even vegan, this bread maker caters to every dietary need. What sets this bread maker apart is its double kneading blades, ensuring your dough is thoroughly and consistently kneaded for superior results. The dual heaters, both on the bottom and lid of the machine, promote even baking and that perfect golden brown crust we all love. But it doesn't stop there. Zojirushi's rapid courses let you bake a delicious loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. Perfect for when you're craving freshly baked bread in a hurry. The large, easy-to-read LCD display with a convenient key code on the lid simplifies course selection, making it a breeze to use. It'll have your loaf ready to eat in under 2.5 hours. It's the best choice for bread maker machines, offering variety, convenience, and impeccable results. Number 3. Cuisinart CBK110P1 Bread Maker Machine. If you're on the quest for the perfect homemade bread, this is your ideal companion. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, it's fully automatic and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice, this bread maker is designed to cater to your needs effortlessly. What makes it stand out is the ability to customize your bread exactly as you like it. You have 3 crust shades to choose from: light, medium, or dark. Plus, it can bake up to a 2-pound loaf, ensuring you have enough bread to go around. This machine's vertical baking pan is designed for a counter-friendly compact design, making it a space-saving addition to your kitchen. The kneading paddle and bread pan are removable for easy cleaning and maintenance. The Cuisinart CBK110P1 comes with a viewing window on the lid, so you can monitor the bread making process, and it even has an interior light to check the bread as it bakes. Number 4. Zojirushi BBHAC10 Programmable Breadmaker. This little dynamo may be small, but it packs a punch, producing 1-pound loaves of cakes or breads that are nothing short of perfection. What sets this bread maker apart is its versatility. It's not just about bread. It offers settings for cookie and pasta dough, as well as fresh fruit jams. Plus, there's a quick bake cycle for those moments when you need your homemade delights in a hurry. With a 13-hour delay timer, you can have fresh, warm bread ready when you want it. The LCD control panel, viewing window, and carrying handle make it a breeze to operate and transport. What's more, this bread maker comes with a non-stick kneading blade and baking pan for easy cleanup. It also includes a variety of instructions and recipes to spark your culinary creativity. With its compact dimensions and a 1-year warranty, the Zojirushi BBHAC10 is a space-saving gem that guarantees delicious results. It's the best choice for bread maker machines, offering convenience and quality. Number 5. Panasonic South Dakota R2550 Breadmaker Machine. It's not just a bread maker, it's a culinary marvel, offering an array of features that will delight any home baker. What truly sets this bread maker apart is its double temperature sensor, which works like magic to adjust the rise and rest times based on both internal and room temperatures. The result? Incredible bread, cakes, pizza, pasta dough, and even gluten-free delights. The artisan-style kneading is a game-changer. The unique kneading blade and specially placed ribs in the bread pan work together to create the best-tasting bread with the ideal texture. Even hard-to-blend ingredients are kneaded to perfection. But wait, there's more. The raisin nut dispenser ensures that any added ingredients are evenly distributed throughout your loaf. It drops raisins, nuts, or seeds into the pan at perfectly timed intervals, ensuring thorough mixing. With 20 different settings, including gluten-free options, this bread maker is packed with programs for all your baking needs. You can even choose manual time setting for customized recipes. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.